Looking for the most professional pest control services in Robina? Then Masters Carpet Cleaning Gold Coast is the one you should consider. We offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee, and are capable of taking care of all tests, inside and out, including spiders, ants, termites, bedbugs, rats, mice, other rodents and possums. We are also your one-stop shop to get rid of cockroaches, whether they speak German or American. Don't take our word for it, however, just look at what some of our clients have to say about our services. Please remember, we are also just as diligent with carpet cleaning, rug cleaning, mattress cleaning and couch cleaning, and can pretty much remove any stain you give us. Let's start first with Cara Steenson, who remarks positively about our professionalism, punctuality, quality, responsiveness, and value. She goes on to say that Ryan was professional and helpful from the beginning. We had to change our appointment time on short notice due to a stuff around with our bond cleaner, and he was more than happy to work around that and get the job done. Carpets came out perfect, would definitely recommend the company. Next we have Byron Hall, who also comments positively about our professionalism, punctuality, quality, responsiveness, and value, saying that we found Ryan from Masters a couple of months ago, when we needed an emergency clean of our couch cushion. He fitted us in that day, within the hour. He was on time, early in fact. Super friendly, great price and cleaned up after himself. Then we have Brea Davies, who also remarks positively about our professionalism, punctuality, quality, responsiveness, and value, and goes on to say that Ryan and his team were amazing and easy to deal with. They did a great job. We were all very happy. Then we have Kim McMillan, who also loves our professionalism, punctuality, responsiveness, and value. She says that Ryan and his team were excellent from the first phone call. I have an Airbnb where red wine was spilt on my cream sofa, worst nightmare. He didn't overpromise the results. He confidently took the time to explain results from past experiences in similar situations to let me understand best case and worst case scenario. The result of the red wine removal came out best case scenario, and the rest of the lounge looked amazing. Was it really that dirty? I guess so. I am beyond delighted with the result. Thank you guys. And then we have Jeff Stewart, who also likes our professionalism, punctuality, and responsiveness. And he goes on to say, excellent service, Ryan is great with his communication and attention to detail. Quality job and great price. We've been using these guys for years, and would highly recommend. So please visit our website, or just give us a call now at 0438350832. And just like all our happy clients, you too will be positively and happily surprised by the quality of service we provide.